Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul for you from Kroger from July of 2022. This is for a family of 4 and we also have 2 doggies. So I got this 40 pack of Welsh's fruit snacks. I normally get the Mott's, but I figured I would try these and see. I think it was about $9 or $10 for this pack at Kroger. It says fruit snacks with real fruit. I really like Kroger's Simple Truth organic line. These are sweet potato corn tortilla chips. These are really good if you haven't had them. I got a big bunch of bananas. Got a 24 pack of Kroger's Purified drinking water. They are 16.9 fluid ounces. And I believe this pack is just under $3. I got 100% juice apple juice, the Kroger brand. It usually runs maybe like $1.75-ish. I got a Diet Coke 2 liter. They were out of the Coke Zero 24 packs, so I got 2 of the 12 packs. And this was a pickup order, by the way. Okay, more items here. I got a whole seedless watermelon for about $4. I got this bag of the Kroger brand Gala apples. This is 3 pounds. A lot of them already kind of had spots and stuff on them, so I had to throw a couple out. I haven't had the best luck with their produce lately. I haven't really been super happy with that. I got the Hostess Donuts, frosted mini donuts. I got 2 of these. They were $2 a piece. I got the Driscoll's strawberries. This is, I believe, a pound. Yes, or 16 ounces. I got 2 packs of the Kroger American cheese slices. This is a 24 pack. I got this pack of the Go-Go Squeeze yogurts, strawberry low-fat yogurt. This is a 10 pack. Got the Pillsbury Grands Flaky Layers biscuits, 8 big biscuits. I got this Kroger brand aluminum foil, 75 square feet. I got 2 packs, of this Sunbeam white bread. It's made with whole grain. And I got 2 packs of the squeezable apple sauces. This is 12 pouch. This is the apple strawberry. So I got 12 pack of the classic apple sauces down here. I got these La Banderita carb counter carb lean tortillas. These are keto friendly. They're soft taco flour tortillas. We use these all the time for low carb or keto diet. I don't know if it says 4 grams of net carbs per serving. Okay, I got 2 12 packs of Kroger grade A large eggs. I got this container of mild Pico De Gallo small. It says 8 ounces. I love the fresh Pico De Gallo. I got 4 of these little Roma tomatoes. Two packs of the Kroger Private Selection center cut bacon. These are 12 ounces. I got this Kroger traditional Alfredo sauce. The Yummy Dino Bunnies. This is 21 ounce or 1.313 pounds. Dinosaur shaped chicken breast nuggets. 100% all natural. Those seem to be my kids' favorite nuggets. I got the Kroger Texas Toast garlic bread. Pop Secret home style butter with a sprinkle of salt and taste of butter. 6 bags. Fairlife, this is the white milk, 2% reduced fat, ultra filtered milk, lactose free. Fairlife chocolate, 2% reduced fat, lactose free milk. They were out of regular chocolate milk for whatever reason. Kroger brand baby spring mix. This is a mix of baby lettuces and greens, 5 ounces. 3-minute microwave cheese pizzas. These, I believe are $1.33 now. They used to always be $1. I got a bag of kale. I can open it with one hand. Okay, so I got these Rosarita traditional refried beans. It's a good source of fiber. I got this Simple Truth cucumber mint aluminum free deodorant. Trying that out. Johnson's bedtime bath. Got Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo with avocado and jojoba oil, however you say that. Paraben free. This is a 12.1 fluid ounce. Got the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner with avocado and jojoba oil as well. This is also 12.1 fluid ounces. I got the Kroger creamy peanut butter. This is 16 ounces. Sweet golden corn, whole kernels, 15.25 ounces. Cut green beans. And I got a whole cucumber. I got some fresh bok choy, like the regular size, not the baby. I got 2 of these packs of the Kroger Soft and Strong 12-pack of toilet paper. It's plush and sturdy. These are 2-ply. So the last thing is this bag of Kibbles and Bits, the original savory beef and chicken. This is a 16-pound bag. They have been out of this for probably 2 months, and this is my dog's favorite food, so I'm glad that I got this and I just saw it and grabbed it. So that's everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching.